Installing two versions of DaVinci Resolve on the same computer is not really supported by Blackmagic Design. But hey, I like to live on the edge, and so today I'm going to show you how I'm currently running Resolve Studio 19.1 alongside the Resolve 20 beta so that I can teach you the newest tools but still do production work using the official release on my Apple M2 Max Studio. You can always grab the latest installers from blackmagicdesign.com by clicking the Support tab at the top, and then choose the product family, DaVinci Resolve and Fusion software. That'll skip you to the latest downloads in the lower left column. Be careful to note if you're grabbing the Studio or the non-Studio, that's the free version here, because they're always right next to each other. Sometimes I see people thinking they're missing features and they just grab the wrong version. So I'm going to grab Studio for versions 20 and 19.1. After downloading, unzip, mount the disk image, and I'm installing 19.1 first because I'm pretty set on this version and I don't plan to update this one. Open up Resolve and make sure your licensing is still all good, and I'm working from cloud databases. This is kind of important. Don't work from a local database if you're messing with this because it's going to hit the same database. You could run into issues. Now, you're going to see yellow warning symbols for projects that I have already made in 20. This is to let me know that I can't open those in older versions like 19 that I just installed. So it might actually be a smart idea here to maintain one Blackmagic Cloud library that's just for version 19 projects, and then a separate Blackmagic Cloud library for version 20. Next, it's really important to quit out of DaVinci Resolve 19. So you cannot run 19 and 20 at the exact same time, so quit out of the application. And the whole hacky trick here to my method here, the reason I want to make this video is I'm just renaming the outermost folder in the applications folder that's called DaVinci Resolve, but not the application inside of it, just the outside folder I'm renaming to DaVinci Resolve 19 from DaVinci Resolve. And this just gives me a blank slate, an empty spot for me to install DaVinci Resolve 20 in that same location that I can keep updating the 20 betas over and over as those release over the next few months. You'll notice there's actually other applications that live inside that folder. Just leave those alone. They're unique for that installer. So to reiterate, I'm just renaming the outsidemost folder of what was the DaVinci Resolve 19 installer. After installing the version 20 beta, I leave the name alone on this one so that the future upgrades are going to overwrite that folder and not the 19 folder. And then I also create an alias to the version 20 application just by right-clicking, and I put that on the desktop to give me quick access, because Spotlight doesn't really work when you have two applications in there with the same name. At any point, you can upgrade a version 19 project to 20, but just know it does not go the other way around. You can't go 20 to 19, so please remember to back up your databases, export DRPs, because this is all beta, but this might give you the chance to try some of the new tools from Blackmagic Design without going out to buy another beta computer. Hey, I'm Chadwick. I super appreciate you, and because there's so much more to learn, I'll see you in the next video.